here doing a live video. I am actually over here at Doane University. We came here to do a little bit of walking, and this is such a great place to walk. Lots of beautiful scenery, lots of greenery, flowers are blooming. It's just really gorgeous out here. But the reason I wanted to do this video is to talk to you about Successful Solution Method. It's a program that my mentor created, and she's the founder of the program. And this program is just simply amazing. It's people who have never made a dime for online are consistently making payouts with this program. And you know, it's newbie friendly. It doesn't take a lot of requirements. If you can be on Facebook for about an hour, make a post one time a day, comment on other people's posts, you can make an income. So far with this program, I've been in it over a little bit of almost 2 months now, and have generated almost $1,800. So yes, you can make an income with this program, and it's simply amazing. It's so simple to do. Easy little simple tasks that they require for you to do, and you just follow this laid out plan that they have for you, and it's amazing. We have great support. The community in the Facebook group are always there to help you out. If you have any questions, or if you are at a stumbling block and you need something answered, we're here to help you. And it's just so slow. It's just amazing program. So people, I have a link that I'm going to put down below, and go to the website, take a look, go to our Facebook group, take a look, see what we're about. I'm not even kidding. This is by far the easiest program ever. It's simple. Just get out there, join the program, plug into the system, do the daily tasks, and then you receive payouts. That's simple. So, if you can make a post, like I said, my daughter's getting way ahead of me. She's a little bit upset with me because I'm trying to do a video, and she wants to get going. So yeah, Successful Solution Method is the program. I don't know what else to tell you, people. You just need to check it out, come join, see what we're about. I have This is so pretty out here. Oh my gosh, sorry. I don't mean to keep interrupting, but just amazing. So anyway, Successful Solution Method is the program. Feel free to hit me up on Facebook. Check me out. See my income proof. Join the Facebook group. We'll be happy to get you started. It's just, you know, don't be afraid to join. Don't be afraid to take a risk and see what we're about. Move my camera down here a little bit more. So, it's getting humid, but I'd rather be hot than cold. Sorry. Even though living in Nebraska, The weather changes on a dime. You just never know what you're going to get from day to day. So yeah, join my Facebook group. Hit me up. Go to my link, and I'll be happy to tell you more about the program, show you income proof, and help you get started. So just want to say have a great day, everybody, and look forward to the next video. Bye.